Today's video is Chapter 2, Lesson 2B, Scientific Notation. Scientific notation is going to have a decimal number times 10 to the something exponent. The exponents could be positive, the exponents could be negative. Notice over here there can only be one number in front of the decimal. You can have as many numbers behind the decimal as you want, but you can only have one number in front of the decimal. If you have a positive exponent, positive exponents tell you to move the dot, move the decimal to the right because it's getting bigger. So positive exponents, you move the dot to the right. If you have negative exponents tell you to move left. The number is getting smaller. So we have a -3 and a -7. You're going to move the decimal to the left. Notice that the decimal is always starting right here, and then this, you don't really do anything with the 10. You just take the decimal, the exponent, and move the decimal 4 places to the right, 3 places to the left, 6 places to the right, 7 places to the left. So starting here. Let's try a question from start to finish. If I had 2.4 times 10 to the 5th power, that tells me I'm going right 5 places. The dot is starting right here. So if I make the dot hop 5 places to the right, a lot of times you'll see math people do this little hoopy thing. So that's the hops. So the first hop would bring it behind the 4, and it would make it 24. The next hop, we would add a 0 placeholder, 240. See how we're getting bigger? And the next hop would be 2,400. The next hop would be 24,000. And the last hop would be 240,000. So this number just grew bigger, 5 times bigger. It started 2.4 and it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times bigger. Now, if you're doing this, I think most students just show me the hops and then they write the final answer. Let's see what the difference is between 4.96 times 10 to the positive third and the same thing times 10 to the negative third. In this top example, I'm going to hop to the right 3 places. In the bottom example, I'm going to hop to the left 3 places. In the top example, I'm going to have to add 1 0 placeholder, 4960, 4,960. In the bottom example, I'm going to have to add 2 0 placeholders, 0.00496. I'd like you to try these 2 questions on your paper. Hop 4 places left, 2 places left. See what you get. Here's the answers. All right, let's look at these questions. I have the numbers now in standard form, and we need to go backwards and make them in scientific notation. So I had said that there was going to be one number before the decimal, and then the rest of the digits. There's going to be a times, there's going to be a 10, and there's going to be some exponent. So if I look over here, the 4 can go in front of the dot, the 5 can go in the back. If the dot was between the 4 and the 5, how many hops would it take to get to the back of the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Since we went to the right, it is +7. Next one, I need one number and then a decimal. So that means 7 goes in front of the dot, the 0, 2 goes behind. Times 10 to the something, If I put my decimal here, it takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hops to get to the back. This guy has 9 in front of the decimal, nobody behind the decimal, so I write times 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The exponent is a 12. I need one number in front of the dot, which would be 2. That means 4 is behind the dot, times 10. If I put the dot between the 2 and the 4, it takes 1, 2, 3, 4 hops left to get to that number, so -4. 6 point, the rest of the junk, 301. Always a time sign, always a 10. Put the dot here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We went 7 hops left. 7 point, 32 times 10 to the negative first power, because it only takes 1 hop to get to the front. These are your Google Classroom questions. So on the first one, I want you to take this number and answer the question, which direction do you hop? So in this question, which direction are you going to hop? In the blue question, how many zeros are you going to add? So you're going to hop 12 times, but how many zeros will be at the end? And then in this question, here's the actual number. It's going to be something times 10 to the -6th. What is that something? Type in the number that would be before the time sign. What number would that be? All right, good luck.